courage, strength, leadership, brave. Sheep follow the leaders, they follow the herd. They don't know where they are going. Many times they are led to the slaughterhouse, but they keep following. They don't lead. They don't use their mind. A lion lead. It's about having the courage to stand and fight for your life, having the strength to go bravely in your own direction, even if others walk away. You tread your own path. Only you know what is best for you. Only you know what path to take. Only you know your courage, your strength, your heart. Everyone has the heart of lion inside of them. Let it out. Let it scream out of you. Like the lion. Unleash the beast in you. Attitude is what you think, what you do, and what you feel about it yourself. Attitude is everything in our life. Guess why? Whether rise or fail, everything is based on attitude that you show at the moment. Your attitude determines your altitude. Listen carefully what I'm saying. Your attitude toward life. What do you think of yourself? As I'm talking to you now, do you think of yourself as how God thinks you? As God, how God thinks of you? Or do you think yourself as how friends and family members think of you? You need a lion attitude to do something better in your life. The attitude to take charge of your destiny. You need the lion attitude that says I can. You need the lion attitude that says I will, because I'm bold enough to fight. You need the lion attitude if you are standing in for greatness. Real lions, they are hungry when the time comes for their mission. Lions are not followers, they are leaders who leads the rest of the animals. Become a lion, be fearless, don't talk, walk the talk. Real lion, they demonstrate who they are. A lion does not seek respect, they command respect and authority because they know they should be respected. Be a lion. A sheep follow the leaders. A lion leads. It's about having the courage to stand and fight for your life, having strength to go your own direction even if no one believes in you. Follow your heart. Only you know what is best for you. Only you know which path to take. You have the heart of lion inside of you. Let it out. Don't fit in. Stand out and use your gift. A lion certain. A lion certain. There no maybe with the lion. This is my decision and I will attack until the outcome is mine. No one will push me around. No one will tell me where to go or what to do. If I want something, I'll go after it with everything I have inside me. The sheep is not certain. That's why the sheep follow the herd, what they hear from the leaders, not knowing where they are going, not caring, just drifting through life, being pulled and prodded, being shredded from her head to toe until there is nothing left to give. And that's what I see in many of us life. To the world and society, it's spreading you of your very self. Head to toe, you lose your own unique footprint. You become what others want you to see, not what you want to be. Don't let anyone push you around. Be like a lion, roar so loud. with your own spirit. Thus, no one would doubt you ever again. No one would question to your goal. No one would dare challenge you again, because you certainly will shine through. Like a lion, you have that, the heart of the lion.